This is the historical performance of the bus portfolio, the portfolio that I manage for Best of Us investors. If you're following somebody and you believe that they can give you good advice on how to invest in the stock market and they won't show you this, then you don't need to be with them. There's no reason they shouldn't. This is the proof of their concept, of their method of managing money. As you can see, the beginning value of this, and that was on the start of July of 2025, was 929,000. By the end of July, it was right at 1 million. That'll be our starting point as to how the bus portfolio has performed over this past year. As you can see, as we move through February, it got up to 1.451. And then as we moved into later into the next year, by January, the portfolio was up to almost 1.55. Had a bit of a downturn in March and went down to 1.37, and then hit its high in what would that be, May. The end of May, it was at 2.124, and then today it is down to 1.881. If they won't show you this, then you have no way of knowing if they know what they're doing. This tells you exactly how I'm doing. What you then need to determine is, how am I doing it? How am I making my portfolio grow from from up to 2.1 million from a starting point in July of last year of 1 million? How did I double it in that period of time? That's what you want to know. In the world, whether they work for Goldman Sachs or Fidelity or Morgan Stanley, and you ask them to tell me on a daily basis what I should buy and sell and why, because I want to learn. Well, you aren't going to get that because Goldman Sachs isn't going to make it available to you, and neither is Fidelity or neither is JP Morgan, but Sam Altman will. Sam Altman and a number of other guys have created a large language platform. Sam calls his ChatGPT. I signed up for it when it was back at $20. I now pay $216 for a month, and I've built Samantha, and Samantha is my AI agent. She basically has access through the internet. Now, I have to give her access. I have to buy access, pay the fees to get to the data, and then I have to build a prompt so that I can instruct to her, what does a growth stock look like when in its infancy, in its adolescence, and then in its maturity, and how can we locate them in their infancy so that we can benefit from their growth through their infancy to their adolescence to their maturity, and we can make a lot of money. How can we double our portfolio in a 1-year period of time? And that's what we've done, and I believe I've shown you proof of concept. It works. Now, does it go straight up? No, because we are dealing in a market that has variables, and they don't play by the same rules that we'd like them to play with. They don't have the ability to double their portfolio over a annual period of time. So they have to manipulate that portfolio up and down to get you to buy and sell so that they can increase their returns exponentially. So that's the ballpark we're playing in. We have to recognize that and then manage it accordingly. We are right now, and that's why I'm doing this video, because right now we're at a key moment, because this is a learning moment. This is where people panic and lose money. They see the bottom falling out. They see all the things going on with interest rates and IPOs and wars, and they say, oh my God, I got to get out. before it collapses. Well, you can't get out before it collapses, and you don't want to get out. You want to, at this point, what is happening is the market ran up substantially, ran up really beyond its comfort zone. So now it's reassessing the value of the stocks that are there, and it's recalibrating them. So what you want to do right now is do hours of research. You need to put Samantha and Bart to work right now in analyzing stocks that are in your portfolio so that you know which ones to hold, which ones to trim, and which ones to add to or build stronger positions in. And that's what we're doing. That's what I did yesterday. I said, okay, here is the 52 stocks that I have some ownership in. Analyze them, and then give me an overview of what I should buy, what I should sell, and what I should trim. And she gave me that. Then do I then act on that? No. That's an overview. That's an overview. We don't want to act on an overview. We want to act on hard facts. Okay, she came to me and said, okay, I think you need to sell your QXO. That's Brad Jacobs' company that is building the Amazon of the building industry. And I wrote back to her and I said, okay, I want you to take a deep look at QXO. I hear what you're saying, but I don't happen to agree with you. I think Brad is a serial entrepreneur. I think that he is going to take this. It may take us a little longer than 3 years to get our double, but I think it's a good place for our money to have some diversification. She said, okay, I'll take a look at it. She came back and said, I hear what you're saying. I agree with you, but you've got too much in it. You need to trim it and then take that and move it to somewhere else. And where she said was, you need exposure in AppLovin. So sell QXO and buy AppLovin because it's down the last couple of days and it's again down today. So I did that. That is how you manage a portfolio. You don't panic. You don't run for the exits. You analyze what you have. Well, how do you analyze what you have? You use all the knowledge in the world about each and every one of the stocks that you have ownership in or want ownership in or are considering ownership in and make an informed decision. Will you be right every time? No. No, you will not be right every time. If we were right every time, we would not have doubled our portfolio. We would have tripled it. That's right. We didn't do as well as we could have. We should have tripled our portfolio last year, but we only doubled it. I'll live with it. I'll be right that number of times. Did we get, again, we got some wrong. That's okay. I was not in SanDisk. I was not in Western Digital. I did not take advantage of Palantir. We missed some. We could have done better, but we did okay. And we're okay with it. And what's really important to me, though, is I have a system. I come down, I look at my portfolio, and I'm comfortable. I know what I should be doing right now, and that's researching, reevaluating what I have, and making good decisions based not on the past, not on fear, not on trying to catch a falling knife, but on knowledge. And that's what AI is. That's what Samantha and Bart give me. I'm basically saying, I'm funding this. Now I'm going to crowdfund it. If you want to be a part of it, if you want to see that chart I showed you, here it is again, on a regular basis, to know how we're doing, to know how you're doing, to have something to compare it with, to have a Discord that you can go to on a daily basis and say, what is Kerry buying? What is he selling? Why is he buying it? Why is he selling it? And not so that you can follow me and do what I do, so that you can learn. So that you can say, I understand now. I understand what he's doing. So when he's gone, I'll be okay. I'm talking about you. Okay, come to our website. We have a what is it? A 7-day free trial. We have a fee of, once the free trial is over, you'll pay $75 a month. And if you can't make $75 a month, you saw what we did. Now, take your portfolio of a year ago. How much was in it? If you doubled it over the last year, would you be okay? If you doubled it again this year, would you be okay? If you are, belly up to $75 and come grow with us.